In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online service using Wix Bookings. This process is perfect for those of you offering virtual classes, courses, or any online sessions, and seeking a streamlined way to manage appointments and host them via a video conferencing platform like Zoom. Let's get started by navigating to your Wix dashboard. First, head over to the Bookings tab located within your Wix dashboard. This section is where you'll manage all your online services. Once you're in, look for the option that says Add New Service. By clicking this, you'll be initiating the setup for your new class or course. Next, you'll need to select the type of service you're offering. Is it a class, a course, or perhaps a webinar? Whatever it may be, make sure to choose the appropriate category so clients know what to expect. Once you've made your selection, it's time to fill in the service details. This includes giving your service an engaging title and a clear, concise description that outlines what participants can anticipate gaining from it. While you're in the service settings, take a moment to locate the location field. Rather than leaving it as a physical place, select the custom location option and type in online or something similar. This not only clarifies where the event takes place, but also sets the stage for the next step. With your location set to online, find and click on the video conferencing option. This is where you connect your service to an online meeting platform. Depending on your preference, click on Set up video conferencing or Add video conferencing to kickstart the connection process. Here, you have two options. You can either connect with Zoom directly or use a custom link from another platform. If you're opting for Zoom, simply click Continue. You'll be guided through a quick connection process, during which you'll need to sign in to your Zoom account. Once signed in, approve the connection, and you're all set. For those using a custom conferencing link, you'll paste in the meeting URL from your chosen platform. If there's a password or an extra description needed, don't hesitate to add those as well. Now, let's finalize everything. Click Connect to save your video conferencing settings, ensuring all is set for your clients. Before you publish, make sure all other service details are in place, such as the pricing structure and available scheduling slots. These are crucial for clients to understand what they're signing up for and when it's happening. Finally, save your changes and hit Publish to make your site live. Doing so allows clients to begin booking your new online service right away. And there you have it. Your service is now ready to be booked and conducted seamlessly in the virtual world. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in launching your online services using Wix Bookings.